Hey guys, welcome back to my kitchen. It's time of the year when winter seems to be a tug of war between the cold wind and the upcoming burst of spring when we yearn for warm and comforting meals. Hence I present to you today a northeastern style fish recipe with radish and mustard seeds paste. But before we proceed, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell notification so that you never miss any of my updates. And now, without further ado, let's check out the ingredients. Catla fish, however, you can choose any type of carp, sliced onions, slit green chilies, radish, mustard seeds paste, salt, turmeric powder, and mustard oil. Now let's start cooking. First of all, marinate your fish pieces with salt and turmeric powder for 5 minutes. Then add oil in a pan. Once hot, add your marinated fish pieces and shallow or deep fry it until golden brown on both sides. In the same pan, add your slit green chilies and sliced onions. Fry them until the onions are cooked. Add your radish, turmeric powder, and salt as per taste. Saute them for a couple of minutes. Add your mustard seeds paste. Stir them well and cook it for a minute. Whenever you cook mustard seed paste, don't overcook it for more than a minute, else it will leave an unpleasant bitter taste. It's time to add 1 liter of water. Stir. Cover and cook it for 15 to 20 minutes, occasionally stirring in between. Now add your fried fish pieces and let it cook for another 10 minutes, occasionally stirring in between. And here you go, just like that our radish with fish is ready. So wasn't the recipe so easy? And now it's the moment of truth. I'm going to try out this dish with some steamed rice. And here's my plate. Just love the beautiful yellow color. And let me add 1-2 tablespoons of gravy and keep this aside. The dish is really flavorful, and the mustard paste and radish comes together into a perfect and beautiful harmony. I love the sweetness from the Catla fish, and it's for sure going to make you go wow. I'm going to devour one more big morsel. You'll love the crunchiness from the radish and the pungent flavor from the mustard paste. I hope you have enjoyed this recipe. Do give it a big thumbs up and see you soon.